Okay, hello guys. Now we are coming to the new topic, which is blood. Okay. Which is blood pressure. Okay, we will try to start from the simple definitions. And the blood pressure, it means if we want to draw some kind of like blood vessels like this is the blood vessels, okay, and this is the blood, this is blood. Okay, so this is the blood and this is the vessels, as you can see. So what is called the blood pressure? What do you think? What is called the blood pressure? Yep, almost right. It is the pressure of the blood, of course. The pressure of the blood to the vessel wall and the pressure of the vessel wall to the blood. Okay, it's very simple. So the blood pressure is defined as the pressure of the blood to the vessel wall and the pressure to the vessel wall to the blood. And if we want to write it mathematically, we can write it as PP, blood pressure, equals COP, cardiac output, times PVR. It means a peripheral vascular resistance. Just remember, this is resistance. This is output. So this one is the blood, the amount of blood that is pumped by the heart, and this is the resistance. It means described as the pressure of the vascular pressure, or the pressure of the vessel wall to the blood. So this one, okay. So BP equals cardiac output times peripheral vascular resistance. Peripherals means like in the side of the wall. In the side of the wall. Vascular means related to vessels, and resistance means the pressure, the back pressure from the wall. So what will the influence of cardiac output and COP and PVR to BP? Okay, so it means if COP increase, the BP will increase. It's also the same. It's PVR increase, the BP will increase, and vice versa. Okay, this is what it means to be times related. So it means if one of these increase, the BP will increase. Okay, and if one of these decrease, the BP will decrease. Okay, so we will go further to the more detail. Okay, the PVR can be influenced by the constriction or dilatation of the vessel. Okay, and a COP can be influenced by the stroke volume. Means the amount of the blood that is pumped by the heart, okay, in every minute. So this is constrictions, or you can say it's Sulaiman. Okay, so if the Sulaiman means the whole space between the in the vessels. So if you have high holes, it means you have the less pressure for the BP, the less resistance. But if you constrict the blood vessel and make it like small hole, small vessel lumen, it will increase the resistance, of course, and if of course it will increase the blood pressure. So if the big vessel lumen, it will increase blood, it will decrease the blood pressure. And if the small vessel lumen, it will increase the blood pressure. Constricts, it will increase. Dilated, it will decrease. This is the blood vessels, okay? And how about the stroke volume? That influence the cardiac output. For example, if you are running, your heart will beat faster, like something like this, and it will increase the blood pressure because the heart is pump more blood, many blood in every minute, so the blood pressure will increase because the stroke volume is increased and cardiac output is increased. So remember, if the stroke volume increase, heart rate increase, make the cardiac output increase. Stroke volume is impossible to increase. I mean, you can say it's heart rate. Stroke volume basically is depend on the people. What I want to say is the heart rate. The rate your heart pumps more blood, the blood pressure will increase. And if it is the heart pumps slowly, the blood pressure will decrease. Okay, it's the same of the PVR or vessel lumen. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.